I'm Lena, lead designer at Annie's, and I'm giving you a warm welcome as we begin this Crochet Skill Builders episode for Annie's Creative Studio. Today, I will show you how to work the Poppin Popcorns Stitch. It's a super cute bubbly texture using 2 colors and puff stitches. Isn't this a cute texture? I can see it being used in a scarf or a hat or some trendy home decor like baskets or washcloths. There are so many options for such a fun stitch. If you're a member, you can download this great pattern now. And if you're not a member yet, you can sign up to start watching and download patterns for free today. But now, let's make some poppin' popcorns together.